Okay, y'all gonna have to move. I gotta move away from here. I have to open it here.
Big box.
It is a big box.
That was big enough. It was big enough. That's how garbage has all full.
It's okay, baby. You can keep it there. Just lay it down somewhere. We'll get it. Okay, y'all gonna have to move. I gotta move away from here. I have to open it here.
Move.
Oh, wow. You yell. You help? Ready? Ah!
Ah.
Good job. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, watch out. Let's see what we got in there.
Ooh.
Wow.
More pieces.
What? Not the same. But that's
It's the
heavy.
same as the other end, huh? See? There.
Oh, look at that.
Your mirror lights up.
Yeah, look at that.
But what about the makeup?
So, what we gotta get is those little flag things that you put here to hold the curtains back.
Mm-hmm.
So we can do that. We ought to get probably a little gauze
This
curtain
could
to
be
put
a
in here,
makeup
maybe.
store, Mommy.
Hmm?
But what I was talking about is those lights.
Few moments later.
So hello guys, this is Sarah GT. So I'm gonna show you the vanity set that my husband gave me for Christmas. So it's a vanity set from Bed Bath and Beyond, and it's the same color on our bedroom set. You know, like it's like a walnut color. So, and then he gave me too, like the mirror with it, so I can do my makeup. So he seems to notice that I'm doing my makeup on the bathroom, standing, you know, every time we have a party. So it's kind of hard at the same time when I'm using the bathroom, he cannot use the bathroom. So I guess that gives him the idea to get this for me. It took him like 2 hours to put it together, and yeah, I like it. I like it so much. So maybe this year you can look forward for more videos on doing makeup. So I'm gonna be doing this here in my vanity. And yes, so but now I'm just gonna be getting ready, you know, like doing my kilay and just put on the lipsticks just to get ready, because I'm gonna be seeing my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law's daughter, and my husband's nephew's wife. So it's gonna be the 6 of us. It's just gonna be 6 of us, like girls. It's like a girls' night out, but it's not a night out. It's just we're doing a pedicure. So one of Tim's sister set an appointment on this diamond nails, and yeah, after what we did last night on the party, it's on Sharp's mom's birthday party. So my legs are so, I mean, it still hurts because of all that dancing. What I'm gonna do is to have this spa pedicure. So yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a little clips and videos later. So see you guys.
Few inches later.
So I'm pretty much ready now. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on this vanity set, so you can have a little glimpse of this. Yeah, it's very beautiful. I am pretty much satisfied for what it looks like. So I want you to see. So sorry, I'm just gonna turn this on. And so probably I can do my makeup. I can just add more lighting on the top here, so you know, to emphasize everything.
Few inches later.